9 Oakley Victor is off stride. Third race field, picking up speed. Here they come. Aussie made a break. Two of them make breaks early. The other Raider off and trotting. Good start inside for Friend or Foe. Friend or Foe guns out fast. Here comes BWT Taj with his early get up and go. Taken back to be third, the only one. He'll get a good seat early. Trotting up fourth goes Striker Race. Fifth away at the cones, Pretty Boy. Sixth just off the speed is Turbo Donato to take an early tuck. Noble Flight lays parked out from in seventh. Now gets down to the cones. Further back to race along at the inside from an eighth is Alexander Lucas. Then after their miscues, Aussie self-destructed early. He's back in ninth and trailing 10th is Oakley Victor. Trotters hustled at a quarter and 28 flat. They're across the tunnel and backstretch bound at Woodbine. McDonnell's found the front with BWT Taj, and it's BWT Taj in a lead of a length and a half. Trotting in the pocket spot is Friend or Foe. Up out of fourth to third to second comes Striker Race, and here comes Striker Race, and Randy Waple is on the backstretch march now as he looks to possibly get to the front. He's a long way from getting there though. Striker Race on the outside has just got to head up in front now. BWT Taj at the inside was willing to let him go, but you got to trot faster than 30 seconds to get by him. 30 seconds is what they went in the second split. Half and just 58 flat. BWT Taj at the inside comes back on now, regains that lead. Striker Race on the outside from in second, still half ahead in front. Picking up the cover from in third. Well placed on the outside as they come to three quarters is the only one. Bottled up at the rail from in fourth is Friend or Foe. Oliver pops the plugs on Pretty Boy as he's fifth outside, a good 3 lengths off the lead. Striker Race starts to backpedal. That's certain to get Saftic out 3 wide. Here comes the only one. 3 quarters and 126 and 1. McDonnell hits the accelerator, and BWT Taj gives him a 3-length cushion coming into the stretch. Back in second, Friend or Foe. The only one is cut loose on the outside with late speed from third. Deep stretch lead, BWT Taj. Still clear by 3. Then it's back to Friend or Foe. And the only one, this one is going to go to BWT Taj. A repeat win for BWT Taj, 2.5 lengths the best. Second best was Friend or Foe. The only one was third, 154 2/5.